Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy XX Jailbreak YTXX back again with another video. Today we're gonna be playing Jailbreak, like my name says, and we're gonna be playing on my other friend's VIP server. I don't even know why he made another VIP server, but I mean, like, it's actually pretty cool because he barely made this one. I think today or yesterday. I'm not sure. I'm gonna tell him. So basically, yeah, we're gonna be playing on a VIP server, and oh my gosh, why am I lagging? I wasn't lagging, and I started recording. Whoa! What was that? Okay. Look at my vids. My oops. YT is look. Wow. Just wow. No way. I gotta put a little space right there. Dang. I'm trying to know the real speed of this. Wow, I just keep on crashing. Why? Why do I keep on crashing? What? Wow. I'm just gonna love this. Bank. Wow, just wow. No, move. I'm shooting you. I'm shooting you. Get out of my way. Yeah. Okay. How do you get up here? So basically, yeah. We're just gonna be playing another game of Jailbreak. No, I don't want to get one back. Move it, move with you. Let me go rub against station. Ooh, my paycheck. Why am I lagging? Oh, my screen is lagging. I don't know if y'all people can see it if I'm lagging or not, but I am lagging hard. I'm talking hard. Yeah, you better know. I finally got the spikes yesterday. I didn't actually make a video yesterday. That's why I'm making a video today. I was trying to upload another one, but it didn't work. Wow. Just wow. OMG, why do we keep on flipping over and why do we keep on crashing? Duh! I'm so tired because I barely woke up. Nah, I'm just joking. I've been awake. Luis, what are you doing? Luis. No, you're not. If you were to be sleeping, you would be asleep. You wouldn't even be answering my question. Oh, dang it. Whoa. See, that's how you can tell I'm lagging. Let me tell this guy. Camping. Oops. What are you doing?
I'm just kidding, it's not even recording.
Little shit.
But you want to hear it? The other one?
No.
Alright.
Leave it.
Ready? Undo it.
But
I keep on crashing.
Oh, wait. Jory. Oops. Spelled it wrong. Jory. Did I like my car? Yeah, I love it. Come at me. Bruh, take that off. Finally got the spike yesterday. I didn't actually make a video yesterday. Bruh, take it off.
Oh, can I at least play some music? Like some.
No. Take it off.
I did.
SpongeBob T.
I did.
Don't play music. They don't want to hear that nasty music.
It's gonna. It's called Ariana Grande.
No. Bruh, if it's called that, then you gotta take that off.
I'm gonna try and play Ariana Grande Lelange. Ariana Grande.
Okay. Okay.
Ariana Grande. I don't know which one. I haven't seen any in so long.
Why do you want me
Ariana Grande!
Shut up and go over there. Damn, you're getting annoying.
You like Ariana Grande!
Who said that?
Yeah!
Who said that?
Suck! My God.
Hurry, 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 or else I'm gonna punch it. I'm gonna punch it. Yeah. What is taking so long? I took a car. Bruh, quit pushing me out of the way, damn! Quit being so selfish. Okay, stay. Who? Hacker did kicked. Ooh. No, oh wow. Just wow. He's a hacker. Okay, good. Wow. 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 Where did the other guy go? After this gas station mob, I'm just gonna end the video right here. End the video. If I have time to go to the donut shop. If it's not lagging. Won't go and not rob it and then I'll end the video. Come on, hurry, hurry! I wish this thing were to be a little faster. And like when you shift, I wish it were to be like a little faster. No train, no, don't, 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 don't. So that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that bell. And don't forget to like this video. Comment down below what other game you want me to play. And I'll see y'all.